Hello! Welcome to Oscar Barnett's Toys family. Hey? What was that? Did you hear that? I wonder what that is. If I'm not mistaken, it sounded like a hiccup. It sounded like a hiccup. That's what I was trying to say. That noise sounded like a hiccup. No interruptions this time. Sounds like somebody's got the hiccups. Come with me and we'll find out who it is. Hey guys. Hello Leo. Hello Leo. Hello Leo. I heard some hiccuping. Who is hiccuping? It's me. Oh, it's you, Squirrel Monkey. I'm afraid it is Oh dear. I'm very sorry to hear that. I can't stop hiccuping. That sounds like a terrible case you have there. It is. Now then, guys, we have to help Squirrel Monkey here. We need a good idea to stop him from hiccuping. How can we make his hiccups go away? Shh! I'm sorry, Leo, but I can't help it. Oh, it's no good. I'm gonna have to think somewhere else. Come on, you three. We're right behind you, Leo. Coming. We'll be back. Much more quiet over here. Now then, guys, you need to think hard. Squirrel Monkey's got the hiccups, and we need a good idea to cure them. Anyone got any ideas? Tiny, you go first. Oh, thanks, Toffee. Ah, I've got it! Yes, Tiny? I could tell him a joke to make him laugh. Maybe laughing would cure his hiccups. Okay. Any ideas yet, Toffee? Still thinking, but I'm sure I can come up with something. I know. I have got it. Yes. I could tell him to hold his breath. Holding in his breath would stop the hiccups from coming out of his mouth. Okay, that's also another good suggestion. Now it's over to you, Simon.
I think I'll go and have a little nap.
Some sleep will help me think. Ugh. Well, you're no help, are you? Ugh. Going to have a nap indeed. Sleeping will help him think. Ugh. Looks like it's just us three then. Come on, you two. Wait, Leo. What's up? You haven't told us your idea yet. Oh, no I haven't. Oh, I've got it. Yes? I can shake him about. And maybe, if I shake him very hard, the hiccups will come out of him, and then Squirrel Monkey will be cured. Okay. So, we have got shaking Squirrel Monkey, making Squirrel Monkey laugh, and Squirrel Monkey holding in his breath. Time to put our ideas into action. Come on, you two. We're coming. Hello, Squirrel Monkey. We're back. I see that. Hey, where's Simon? I thought he'd be here too. He's gone off to have a nap. He said that sleeping will give him an idea. That Simon always looking for an excuse to sleep. Right, I'll go first. Now I'm going to help you cure your hiccups. What are you doing, Leo? Wait. There. I shook you as hard as I could. Have your hiccups gone? No. Oh dear. Toffee, you go next. Now then, Squirrel Monkey, I want you to hold in your breath. All right. And that way the hiccups can't get out of your mouth. I think what Squirrel Monkey is trying to say is, when can he breathe out? When I count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! Squirrel Monkey, I was going to tell you a joke to cure your hiccups, but I don't think I will now, because I want you to get your breath back. Thanks, Tiny. Oh, it's no good. Squirrel Monkey's hiccups still haven't gone away. Where is Simon? I'm here! What? Ah! Oh! Simon, you gave me a real fright! Why did you jump on me like that? Well, before I answer that question, have your hiccups gone away? Yes, they have! Hooray! You were right all along, Simon. Sleeping does help you think.
Well, I wasn't actually sleeping. I was hiding. You see, I thought if I hid and then suddenly jump on Squirrel Monkey and gave him a fright, his hiccups would go away.
Of course! Scaring the hiccuper always helps. It certainly did. Thank you, Simon.
You're very welcome.
I'm glad that's over. Thanks for stopping by in the Toys family. We'll see you soon. Bye.